Welcome to XXLRC. Today we're on the XXLRC playground and I've got my 79 K5 Blazer TRX-4. This thing is awesome. Now I have had this on the channel before. We installed a lift kit and some 2.2-inch fuel forged wheels and some BF Goodrich mud terrain tires. I haven't had it out on the new crawler course yet, so that's what we're gonna do, see how she does. Here we are at the main trench. Take her in there, nice and slow. Not bad. This thing actually crawls really well for it having a lift kit on it. I would think it'd be a little top heavy. Now my crawler course, it still needs some work. This is phase 2 of, I don't know how many phases it's gonna be, but you know, it's pretty flat. There's a few challenging areas here and there, but I gotta do some more work on it. If you guys have any suggestions, put them in the comments down below. You know, if any of you guys have crawler course, maybe you got some ideas for me. I do have a bigger pile of rocks over here that I've tried, and you know, it's not really great for tent scale stuff. They usually get stuck, but I'm gonna give this thing a try, see how it goes. Maybe I'll make it across because it's got a lot of growth in it right now. I haven't really been maintaining it. Maybe I won't fall down in there, but there's just, this is really deep through here for a 10 scale rig. We're gonna give it a shot. Oh yeah, all that stuff in there actually has helped. Oh no. Oh yes, it recovered nicely. Heck yeah. Round and round she goes. This is the area. I haven't been able to get any of my rigs up here. There's this big gap right in between these two big rocks. That's usually where I get stuck. So, but I went right up and over that other side pretty easy. So we're gonna give this a shot, see how it goes. I'm not real optimistic here. And hey, while we're looking at the back, if you guys haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. Here we go. Gotta get the right approach. I think if I get a tire right up there. Okay, oh no. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I'm hung up there. There's no way. It's just too big of a gap for this size truck. It's not gonna happen. Ooh, now I'm all tangled up in these weeds. Pull this out of here. Try one more time, but like I said, I'm not real optimistic here. No. See, this tire stuck under there, and this whole side is just rubbing on this rock. Right, that tire's in front of it. I got nothing. That's what happens every time. So this area could definitely use some more work, that's for sure. We'll just back out of here. I want to do this side one more time. That's pretty fun. This one I've been able to do before, but never quite this easy. There used to be a big hole down in there, and you can see it's all filled with pine needles and stuff growing in there. That makes it really easy. Nice and easy. Well, now that we did some crawling, I think it's time to maybe do some jumping. I did put a 3-cell in this thing. I don't know if you guys know that, but this can handle 3 cells with the stock electronic. This is 2-cell, all out, not much there. Ugh, barely makes it over the hill. That will go in the high gear with our 3-cell. Much faster. Whoa! Yeah, she just wants to roll. All right, I think that's gonna wrap it up for today. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. And I'll see you guys in the next video.